Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna break down exactly how to make winning creatives for a clothing brand, like the exact strategy that we use with my agency to help clothing brands scale from making $0 a month to making consistent 6 figures. So in this video I'm gonna teach you the exact strategy from how to make creatives, graphic designs, and how to find creatives that are winning for other brands. So before we start the video, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where I've helped more than around 80 plus clothing brands scale from making $0 a month to making consistent 6 figures. Like, we just scale clothing brands back to back. If you guys want me to scale a brand personally, like, just schedule a call down below and we can see what we can do for you. Just hit me up on Instagram, it's in the description down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also pay attention to this video because this video is useless if you just watch the video and then go and watch some other TikTok. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and talk about is how you can find winning creatives, and that's through the Meta Ads Library. Hold on, let me check this. As you can see, we just got a sale for one of the brands that I'm working with right now. Yeah, so how we're going to do it is you hop on the Meta Ads Library. Wait, let me show you guys how to do it. Another one right now. Alright, so what you want to do is just start an ad library right here. And you're going to see all of the brands. For example, let's go with Dooley. Alright, so just search the name right here and you're going to see all of the ads that is running right now. As you guys can see, these are some of the ads that is running currently, and you can also see the date that you start running the ads. As you guys can see, start running this around 21st October, which might be a sign, because he started running it from 21st October to now. What you want to do is just go here. If you want to find the creative that are 100% performing for him, just go down below. You can see the creative that has been running like for 3 months, 4 months. That's the creative that are evergreen and that are probably working for him. For example, this one, he's been running this one since May 8th, which is around 4 months. So this is probably a really good ad, because if it wasn't performing, he would have already turned it off by now. But as you guys can see, the ads right here, just some clean on body pictures. You can try and recreate this for a brand. Like, just find a good model and let him wear the clothes and take normal ass pictures, just like a fit pic and all of that stuff. People are gonna see it and are probably gonna buy if your product is good. Sometimes I just let the product like do the work for me. So based on what I've been seeing personally, what works for Dooley or Flowworld LA is that all of these pictures where models are wearing the product, like for example this one, as you can see, this started around 18th October. You can't know if it's a performing ad, but you can see this one is 100% a performing ad because it's been running since July.
Reviewing the Flow or Datla or Thermal. Distressed by me. Super high quality. Size down for regular fit. Had to cut the cuffs off. Game.
Alright, so as you can see, it's probably a good ad that has been performed, because he wouldn't have let it run for more than 4 months if it wasn't performing. Let's go with another normal brand, Icon. Let's go with Icon Amsterdam. As you can see, it's the ads that are running for Icon Amsterdam. As you can see, I've already started preparing for Black Friday. Get ready for Black Friday, all of that stuff. They're doing SMS rate. Let's see what they're doing right here. If you guys haven't started preparing for Black Friday, like, not serious with your brand, you need to start preparing for Black Friday. As you guys can see, I've already started preparing for Black Friday. Just put in your email, all that stuff. When the Black Friday starts, they'll send you an email. Purchases every day. Non-stop purchases. Alright guys, so now that we're done with teaching you how to find the winning creatives that other brands are using, the thing I want you to do is try to recreate the ads that are performing for other brands, because since it's performing for them, then it will probably perform for you. Just try to replicate all of them. So the second thing I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys is how to make graphic designs for your brand. Like, if you guys are sleeping on graphic designs with your brand, I don't really know what you're doing. Like, you have to stop sleeping on graphic designs because they're so easy to make. All you need is a simple model pic, then you take out the background, write some shit, and trust me, it prints. Or simple flat lay, start live now. You don't need all of that crazy shit, then that's all you need. So what you want to do is go ahead and shit. The orders non-stop, guys. Orders non-stop. So what you want to do is go ahead and use the size of 1080 by 1080. I already have a template. If you guys want me to send a template to you personally, just let me know in the comment section, or hit me up on Instagram and I'll gladly send you this template. But all you guys need is this site live now. If you guys want me to send this template to you directly, I'll send it to you. Just comment down below or send me a message on Instagram. But all you need, as you can see, is site live now. Just try to copy all of these settings. All I have in here was a drop shadow. Alright, so after I've gotten the drop shadow, then you wrote the site live now with a black font. Then go ahead and put the logo right there. After you have put the products, then limited drop, then you find a background. If you want, you can go and ask ChatGPT to do it for you. Alright guys, now that I've showed you one graphic design, I'm gonna show you how to make one for yourself, even though it's a little bit easier than the other one. Trust me, it's so easy. All you need to do is slide live now right here, make it big. Then what you want to do is then make it bold. What you want to do is just drag the picture right here, then you select the product right here, then Windows C. If you have a Mac, Command C, Command V, then delete, then press it. Just make sure it's 100% in the middle. Then even this is a good creative, and trust me, if you have a good product, your product will speak for itself. Like, you don't need all of that crazy ass creative. Simplicity is key. I think that's pretty all. This is a good enough creative. You can just make this a little bit bigger and make the font a little bit larger. Like, this is just an example to show you guys how to do it, but that's pretty all. Alright guys, so after you have gotten all of this right, then you want to go and just press file, then export as, then copy all of this. I usually use preserve details, then export. Just use any. Yeah guys, so I think that's pretty all for this tutorial on how to make this graphic design. Let's go to the next part. Alright, so after you have gotten your graphic designs, what you want to do is then you go ahead and create a campaign. And how you do that campaign is you just hop on the Ads Manager, press on create, sales, use sales. What you want to do is use 5 creatives. Don't exceed that 5 creatives mark. Start with 5 creatives, like give them a $50 budget. If they carry the $50 budget for 4 days and it keeps performing well, duplicate the ads that are performing into a scaling campaign, or a validate scaling campaign. Then you let them, then you double the budget, or you give them the same budget as the testing campaign. If they hold that budget for 4 days, then you let them keep running. Also, one thing I want you guys to know is, even if you have scaled that ad, like, don't turn it off in the testing campaign. Let it, because why will you turn off an ad that's performing? Like, that's literally a good ad that's performing, so don't turn it off. If the CPM is good, CTR, like, make sure CTR is around 2%. The CTR doesn't really matter if your ROAS is good, like your cost per purchase is good. Those are just secondary metrics that you're gonna check if your ROAS is bad. But if your ROAS is good, don't really give a fuck about that CTR, CPM, CPC, all of that stuff. Because the main reason why you're doing all of that stuff is so that you can get a good ROAS, and if your ROAS is good, that means you don't need to care about all that stuff. Yeah guys, so I think that's all for this video. This video was a little bit rushed because I'm kind of tired and I want to go to sleep, and I have a drop to go and work on. Like, one of my clients is dropping today, so we need to set up the ads, all of that stuff. But yeah guys, so if you want to work with me personally, like, just schedule a call down below. All of our clients are eating, trust me. This Q4 we're gonna take over. Yesterday we had a drop and made around $200,000 in a day for that client alone. So if you guys will want to work with me personally and will want me to scale your brand, like, even if you're a small clothing brand owner, don't worry, we'll scale the fuck out of you. Designs, like, we do all of that stuff. We do your website, all of that stuff. Like, if you're working with us, all you have to do is ship orders and create content. Like, that's literally all you have to do. We handle all of the backend stuff for you. So if you guys will be interested in that, just schedule a call down below or send me a message